those carrots faster than I can cool them down for you. Is that hot?
Announcements.
Yes.
Yes, it's the silliest and funniest night ever.
May there be many more like it.
Holla? Did we forget the holla?
Did we?
We forget the challah. Passing someone.
Oh, silly.
Whoa.
But you're saying more exciting than them. I think you're so excited you're getting yourself crossed.
Thank you.
There.
And the other only eating camera.
At the moment, yes. Do you want more challah? Is that what you saw go by? Because Daddy moved the challah?
What is everything that
Challah and carrot
On
tonight?
the plate, if I may.
What everything
Banana. Apple.
Sharing?
Thank you for sharing. You want some challah? Huh? 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 No.
Oh, thank you. Put it on the table. Not on the floor. Look, did you cover up your carrot? Oh no, you really ate them? Abracadabra, they're gone.
Maybe she's going through a growth spurt. She ate like 3/4 of banana for breakfast today. Or maybe that's just normal for you.
I didn't lock it. He can't be one.
How old do you think she is?
Oh, I
9 months.
You're
9
so
months, huh?
gone a
funny.
little bit wild.
Let's see. Who is 9 months? I think Julia might be 9 months.
No. I think
You need a drink? I think he threw it on the floor.